Hello friends, welcome to Astro Crescent. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program the Leviton VPT24 timer switch in standard mode. If you have installed this switch and do not want to get into complicated pro mode programming, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Previously, I posted two videos on this switch. The first one for installation and the second one for programming in Pro mode. If you have not watched those videos, I will leave a link in the description below so you can watch them. The standard mode programming of Leviton timer switch VPT24 gives you just basic functionality. You can set the clock and set up to 3 timed on-off events. If you want more flexibility with programming of this switch, you need to program in Pro mode. To start programming this switch, gently lift the cover and it will stay there. Press the black override button and the screen will light up, and maybe the light will also turn on. After this, I will move the camera closer so you can clearly see the entire procedure. The first step is to reset the entire system and delete all previously stored events. To do that, press the override button, the black button here, and the set button together. Del will start flashing. It may take up to 5 seconds. After that, reset or RST starts flashing. Leave all the buttons and press the set button to reset the system. The switch will go through a complete reset. And then mode starts flashing. Use the up or down arrow keys to change the mode to Pro or Standard. Today we are using the Standard mode. Press set. At the bottom you see clock, CLK, and right now it is set to 12 AM. To change the hour, use the up or down arrow keys. Right now it is 10:30 AM. I'll make the hour 10. Press set. Minutes starts flashing. Press the up or down keys to change the minutes. Press set again. A starts flashing here. Use the up or down key to change it to P if it is PM. It is 10:30 AM right now. Press set. Day of the week starts flashing. It is showing W. Today is Monday. Use up or down keys to change that day of the week. M for Monday. Press set again. Clock is set. The display is now showing 10:31 AM Monday, and the current time is shown by the small dot flashing on top. That completes the clock setting. Just a gentle reminder that we cannot set the daylight saving time or the SunUp and SunDown timings in standard mode. For that, we need the Pro mode programming. You might want to watch my earlier video on Pro mode programming. I will leave a link in the description below. Next, we will program a timed on-off event. Press the menu key until you see PRG on the screen. If you miss that, you can come back here, PRG. Press set. Event number 1. If you have already programmed event 1, you can use the up or down key to choose a different event. As you can see, you can only have up to 3 events in standard mode. Let's program event number 1 here. Press set. Days of the week start flashing here. You can choose any number of days from Monday to Sunday. This is the default. Press the up or down key. Change it to Monday to Friday or Saturday, Sunday. I will keep it Monday to Sunday for now. Press set. You see some dashes here. You have 2 options. You can start programming this event or press up or down key to delete the previously programmed event. We are setting a new event, so I will press up or down key to start programming event number 1. Press set again. The on time starts flashing. Right now it is showing 6 AM. I want my lights to turn on at 8 PM, for example. Use up or down key to change it to 8 PM. That is 8 PM. Press set. This will be my lights on time. Minutes, we can change it or we can leave it like this. Press set. When you see 6 P, that is the off time. I want the lights to turn off 5 AM next day morning. Press the set button and change that time by using up or down keys. That is 5. Press set. You can also set the minutes here. Otherwise, press set and that completes event 1. Event 2 starts flashing. If you want to continue programming the second event, press set, otherwise press the override button to exit programming mode. The display is now showing the times when the lights will be on. So it is showing from 8 p.m. until 5 a.m. and the small dot on top is showing the current time, which is 10:36 a.m. When you are done, just close the cover. So that completes standard mode programming of the Leviton programmable timer switch VPT24. If you want more flexibility, you need to program in Pro mode. In Pro mode programming, you can have up to 50 timed on-off events. In addition to setting just the time with the clock function, you can also set your location and time zone in Pro mode. You can program the switch to turn your lights on or off based on SunUp and SunDown timings. Also, you can offset those timings. The Pro mode gives you the flexibility of randomizing the programmed on-off timings for additional security when you are away from home. I explained the entire Pro mode programming in my other video, so make sure you watch that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on installation or programming this switch, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. There are several other DIY videos on my channel. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and please take care.